Introducing the Jeep Active Drive 4x4 system with disconnecting rear drive shaft and power transfer unit. This system is available on Sport, Latitude, and Limited models. The Jeep Active Drive 4x4 system consists of the following components: a 1-speed disconnecting power transfer unit, a multi-piece drive shaft, a 1-speed rear drive module with electronic control unit, and a torque transfer device. The class-exclusive available rear axle disconnect feature only engages the 4x4 system when necessary for improved efficiency and reduced emissions. 4-wheel drive mode will automatically engage when certain environmental conditions and driving styles are evident, such as lower temperatures, changes in slope, and inclement weather. All this happens seamlessly from the driver's perspective, without noticeable shifting. The system helps provide maximum efficiency when 4x4 capability is not needed for enhanced vehicle control and fully variable 4x4 torque to the rear axle. The Select Terrain traction management system helps give you 4x4 capability in 4 modes: auto, snow, sand, and mud. In auto mode, Select Terrain does all the work, automatically adjusting vehicle dynamics to help improve fuel efficiency, as well as adapt to any condition for optimal traction. Snow mode adjusts for ultimate performance when the wet stuff turns cold, ideal for snow, sleet, or slushy roads. Power is variably distributed between the front and rear wheels to help keep tires from spinning. In this mode, your Renegade uses its second gear to launch from a standstill for maximum traction. Sand mode utilizes an aggressive throttle with additional wheel slip and revised transmission shifting to help tackle loose, sand-covered surfaces. Power is variably distributed between the front and rear wheels, with up to 100% of torque available to the rear axle. Mud mode helps maximize low-speed traction and provides additional wheel slip, along with revised transmission shifting to help maintain momentum on low-friction surfaces like mud. Power is variably distributed between the front and rear wheels, with up to 100% of torque available to the rear axle. The brake lock differential is a special traction control feature that offers similar performance to a locking differential. The goal of the system is to help ensure that both wheels on an axle are turning at the same rate of speed. For instance, if a wheel has lost traction and is spinning freely, the system will automatically apply brake pressure to that wheel, which allows more torque to go to the opposing wheel that has traction. Brake lock differential is not a substitute for a locking differential. It just helps extend the capability of your Jeep vehicle. The Jeep Active Drive 4x4 system helps provide maximum efficiency and enhanced vehicle control regardless of the conditions. And all you have to do is enjoy the ride.